Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I want to talk about SRS Pro and to give you three, from my point of view, key tips to work correct with the SRS Pro and to increase your probability. What do I mean by increase your probability? As I always mention, trading is a business of what? Of numbers, of probabilities. You're making the analysis and you're looking for your opportunities, trading opportunities with the higher probabilities. These higher probabilities, there are specific techniques how to find them, and SRS Pro helps us to do that. And in this video, that's exactly what I want to present. But before I go and I name these three tips, if you are new to this channel, first of all, I would like to welcome you to our fantastic community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video, and please remember to enable the notification so you know where a new video and new content is available for you. As well, I would like to invite you to join our club. The links for that could be found below the video in the description or in the pinned comment inside the comment section. So let's begin. As I said, I would like to give you three tips to deal with, and let's start with tip number one. Tip number one is pay attention to momentum when the market gains momentum. One of the good things on the SRS, we are scanning for these conditions, right, as you can see here on this indicator. It's directly a direct derivative from the MACD, one of my favorite indicators for trading. But as good as it is, indicator is still an indicator, and its job is to indicate and not to dictate the market what to do. So that's where we first get the touch, like, something is going on. The momentum is clearly bullish here around all the time frames. On the current one I'm working with, which is the 15 minutes, and both higher time frames. Checking the sentiments, also it changes to the bullish. Well, that's great indication, but then I am working with the price. Price is the key, always. I want you to remember that. So what do I want to see on the price? I want to see the market gains momentum. How does the market gain momentum? And for that, let me present you something very interesting here. I will go here a white screen. And I want to ask you, okay, present you and to ask you at the same time, what do you think gains momentum here? This price behavior or this? What do you think gains momentum? The answer is obviously this, right? Because every single time the high and the low are created, they are gaining momentum. They are going faster, sharper, right? Straightforward. H wave is cleaner and clearer, rather than that where it slows down and around. Okay? So this is how you identify momentum based on the price. When it gains momentum, yes, it could be looking a bit different, but the idea here is very clear. You don't want the momentum to be lost. So going back to this, look what we see here, right? Obviously and clearly we have gaining momentum. Look, strong move up, and little pullback. Boom, one more sharp move up. Afterwards, we have a correction to the downside, which provides us with the break of this falling resistance line, as you can see, where all the SRS candles line up again to the bullish direction. It provides us to take a shot to the bullish direction. Okay, and when we do that, what do we get? Here, okay, we got an increased probability to end up as a winner. Will that be a guarantee that we will have a winner? The answer is no. Trading and guarantee, two words that cannot be placed in the same sentence. Very important thing to understand, okay? Trading is a business of probabilities. Is where your chances are higher. So this is the first tip I wanted to give you. Okay, the next one would be work with key zones. How do we find key zones? What are these key zones? So let's go back to the first tip. Remember, first of all, identify the clear trending structure, clear momentum, bullish momentum. We get here higher highs, higher lows, and each of the legs gains faster. On the retrace in two waves structure, as you can see here, where are we? We are in the key zone. What makes it a key zone? First of all, it was rejecting before, right? Afterwards, once it managed to be broken, now this area becomes critical. As long as it holds, our assumption that the bullish trend should continue. Watching on the SRS Pro monitors, we see that the candles are lined up to the bullish direction as well. Momentum and sentiment are with us. Can I guarantee a winner here? The answer is no, I can't. But I do know that my chances are with me. What do I do next? I take a trade. In that case, it's a buy. And the next thing is let the system work. That's it. That's all I can do as trader. Okay, so we can see here the first target was hit. Then there was not enough momentum to hit the second target, which was placed a little higher, and it finished up on break even with the remaining part. So the second tip is watch for pullbacks and continuation of trend from key levels. Your key levels would be key rejection zone in breakouts of previous highs or lows on your riding trend. And the last tip I would like to share with you when you deal with the SRS Pro is observe the market environment. In that case, the SRS Pro candle patterns come in your help. Now look at the candle, starting from there. That's the available information, available data we have here. Okay, look at all that. How many red candles do you have? How many blue candles do you have? Who controls the market? The answer is pretty much obvious. The sellers. Look at the 4-hour and the daily. Okay, they are obviously bearish. Now you can see the momentum. We don't have the arrows here because it was taken on a different platform on different server, not directly with the windows. That's why the symbols are a bit ruined. But you can see here both two red on the momentum and two red on the higher time frame and the sentiment. That's clearly bearish environment. Can I guarantee that this ABCD pullback would really be a winner? The answer is no, but I know my chances are with me. So pay attention to the whole environment here. Who controls the market? Look at the SRS candles. They are obviously bearish here, bearish environment. That's the bottom line. And on the go here, where is the critical low, the critical high, right? We have high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, right? Where is the high? Here. Was that broken? No, it holds. You see key rejection, and the pullback never went above. That's it. That's what I know. Do I know it will definitely be a winner? The answer is no, I don't. But I know what the chances are with me. The next thing is I'm looking to make a trade. As you can see here, right? The market pulled back. So what do we do then? Right? It could go and kick my stop loss. Yes, as I said before, there will be no guarantee for a profit, but I know that the chances are with me. And if the market momentum is real, if the sellers are as real as that, the analysis and the indications we get are, I know the chances for me are there, and I suppose to make a very nice, collect a very nice profit, like in that case. That's it, guys. That's it. That's 3 very important tips, very important details to pay attention to when you work with the SRS Pro. The system gives you everything. It gives you the alerts, it gives you the monitors for the candles, it gives you the momentum and the sentiment directly from the MACD derivative, from multi-time frame scan, and it gives you the robot that manages your trade once you decide you want to trade it. Okay, so you put these tips in your trading decisions and you increase your chances to end up as a winner. Now I do want to ask your help. If you find these videos helpful, educational, useful, please hit the like button below. The YouTube algorithm requires these little things. Hit the like button. If you have any question for me or anything you want to share, please write a comment below in the comment section. Feel free to share this video with anyone you wish. It's again completely open for the community. And if you use the SRS or plan to use the SRS Pro, I want you to pay attention to these key 3 details, elements, call them as you want, right? They will help you in the trading with the SRS. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for your time watching that. I hope you find it helpful and useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for any other sort of helpful videos you want me to do, please drop it down in the comment below this video in the comment section. Stay safe, be well, and I wish you a very good trading. I'll see you soon with other content.